who just wants to grow her own food on her own little plot. So an allotment comes she wants, but maybe that can't be with the chicken lady. Chickens are dull, you just would not pay money to see them at the zoo today. If they ever had sense, it has long since died, and the only good chicken is one that's fried. The chicken lady clucks and pecks around, interfering on other people's ground. And what is all this foul play doing? Well, someone I know sees her day ruined. Chickens are dull, you just would not pay money to see them at the zoo today. If they ever had sense, its removal was hurried, and the only good chicken is one that's curried. That someone I know is creative and gifted, with a sense of right which can't be shifted. She seeks a life different, but fair and true, without intrusive chickens strutting right through. Chickens are dull, you just would not pay money to see them at the zoo today. If they ever had sense, it was long ago foiled, and the only good chicken is one that's broiled. I sympathise with that someone I know. I see my mood swing from high to low, and I know how life can be unfair with a chicken lady ever present there. Chickens are dull, you just would not pay money to see them at the zoo today. If they ever had sense, out of them it's been drilled, and the only good chicken is one that's grilled. Chicken people are also in my life, flapping about, causing grief and strife. Because their world is drab and empty, they peer at me and feel such envy. Chickens are dull, you just would not pay money to see them at the zoo today. They talk nonsense, all idle and boasted, and the only good chicken is one that's roasted. The commonest bird is the chicken domestic, but I'm a rare eagle, regal and majestic. My interests help me soar up high, but the domesticated chicken can't even fly. Chickens are dull, you just would not pay money to see them at the zoo today. Their nonsense views won't be interviewed, and the only good chicken is barbecued. Chicken people are merely 10 a penny, but as eagle people we are not many. We should not let others overcome us. Our strength's in quality, not in numbers. Chickens are dull, you just would not pay money to see them at the zoo today. If they ever had sense, it was long ago thwarted, and the only good chicken is one that's sautéed. I know where I want to get. To write it down would be a struggle yet. I'm no Wordsworth nor Charles Dickens, but I'm glad that we are just not chickens. Chickens are dull, you just would not pay money to see them at the zoo today. If they ever had sense, out of them it's been beaten, and the only good chicken is one that's eaten. The only good chicken is one that's eaten. The only good chicken is one that's eaten.